I'm talking about the human eye. The structure of the human eye is the cornea. The cornea is a transparent outer membrane which forms the eyeball's outer coating. The lens is a jelly-like assembly of tiny transparent fibers. The iris, made of two different muscle fibers, controls the size of the pupil. The pupil allows light to pass into the eyes from the aqueous humor to the lens. The ciliary muscles contract and extend to control the curvature of the lens. Behind the lens is a cavity filled with another liquid, the vitreous humor, and behind the cavity is the retina. The retina is the serves as green where the image is formed. It contains millions of tiny nerve cells called roots and cones that are sensitive to light. The cones are responsible for vision in bright conditions, the roots for damp conditions, because the sensation of color is produced by the cone's colors are difficult to distinguish in faint light. The rods or cones send to the image formed on the retina, and the information is transmitted to the brain by the optic nerve. The fovea centralis is the center of the eye's sharpest vision and location of most color perception. The optic nerve is the pathway that the light rays take from the retina to the processing center of the brain. I am comparing about the parts of the human eye and the parts of the camera. The main parts of the camera compared with those of the eye. The camera has the same parts as the eye. On one side of the camera is an opening called aperture, the aperture through which light enters. This opening is covered by a convex lens. A shutter, which corresponds to our eyelid, opens or closes the aperture. Thus, it can keep the inside of the camera completely dark. The iris controls the size of the pupil to regulate light that enters. A photographic film, which corresponds to the retina, is placed behind the iris diaphragm inside the camera. The aperture corresponds to the pupil. Behind the shooter is the iris diaphragm. The diaphragm changes the size of the lens opening in the same manner. These are the parts of the human eye: the iris, the cornea, the pupil, the lens, the aqueous humor, and the ciliary muscle. And this is the retina, the fovea centralis, and the optic nerve. Again, the iris, the cornea, the lens, the pupil, the aqueous humor, and the ciliary muscle. And this is parts of the camera: the film, the aperture, the convex lens, the iris diaphragm, and the shutter. That's all. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.